So moving forward, let's talk about the piercing line pattern. This is also a very powerful bullish pattern. And what makes this one interesting is that it's a two-candlestick formation. So you need to look for two candles together to identify this pattern. As written, the piercing line pattern is a two-candlestick formation signaling a potential bullish reversal. It occurs in a downtrend, with the first candlestick being bearish and followed by a bullish candlestick that opens lower but closes above the midpoint of the previous candlestick. This pattern suggests a strong shift in market sentiment from bearish to bullish. Now let me explain how this works. Imagine the market is in a downtrend, prices are falling, and then you see a big bearish red candlestick forming first. Everyone is thinking, oh, the market is going down more. But then the next day comes, and it opens even lower than the previous close, making everyone more scared. But here's the interesting part. By the end of that day, the buyers come in with full force, and the price closes way up, actually going above the midpoint of that previous red candlestick. This is a very strong signal because it shows that despite the initial selling pressure, the buyers are now taking control. The piercing line pattern suggests a strong shift in market sentiment from bearish to bullish. So whenever you see a bearish candle followed by a bullish candle that opens lower but closes above the midpoint of the previous candle, you know the piercing line pattern has formed, and the market is likely to reverse upwards from here. The key point to remember is the second candle must close above 50% of the first red candle's body. If it closes below the midpoint, then it's not a piercing line pattern. This pattern is quite reliable when you see it at the bottom of a downtrend, because it clearly shows that sellers are losing power and buyers are stepping in. Here you can see a big red candlestick was formed, and then a green candle with covering more than 50% of the previous one, which forms a piercing line pattern. And as you can see, the market has gone upwards from there.
Thank you. I hope you understand this, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will also appreciate any suggestions in the comment section, and please visit our platform, The Coder's Trade, with the link given in description.